Hey guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to use Cnfans. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, for you to use Cnfans here, you need to basically learn, or in this case, you need to know the basics. So first things first is you need to have an account with Cnfans here. So in this case, at the top right, you should see the profile icon. So go ahead and click on it and basically create your account. Now you can create your account here manually, or you could basically log in using your Google account. So again, if you haven't created your account, just click on sign up here. But since I already have my account here, just go and click on continue with Google or log in with Google here. And from here on, we should be able to log in. Now, just to give you some information, Cnfans actually allows you, or is a platform that actually allows you to buy products in bulk and basically have them shipped to a specific warehouse, where in this case you could do some form of quality check before the products being or in this case is going to be sent to you. So in this case, this is a great way for you to buy products from China and basically do a quality check real quickly and identify if the product is up to quality. And once they actually have arrived in the warehouse, you go ahead and basically have them delivered to your doorstep. So for you to use this one, what we need to do is we need to use the product links or name shop links section here, which in this case allows you to search for specific products. Like for example, if you search for shirts here, so just to give you the idea, I'm going to search for a shirt. It's going to give you different results regarding the keyword that you've entered. But as you can see, there are going to be a lot of choices that you see here. But like what I mentioned before, there are a bunch of things that you could actually do here instead. So the thing here is you can actually use or upload an image here that actually allows you to search for specific images. Like for example, I'm going to use this one, click on open, and it's going to start searching for something or similar products that we could actually buy. So as you can see, these are similar products that we could buy from the platform itself. But the thing here is you could also use links that you want to buy from specific websites or different specific platforms. Like for example, you could get products from just go to our next page here. Like you could get products from Taobao or 1688. So if you have like links that you could use for those, you could go ahead and just paste the actual link or product link in here, and basically you have the option to basically buy them in here. So yeah, so in this case, maybe I want to look for a shirt for men, and from here it's going to give you different results here. So let's go choose one. There's going to be a lot of choices here. So this is just an example. Maybe I want to get this one. Let's go and click on it, and it should show you different details about the product itself, like how much it actually costs, the conversion of the cost here. And if you want to get the product link, if you want to refresh the details here, you go and click on refresh, and the following ways for you to basically inspect the product, just in case, like if you want to have like some quality check here, it's going to give you those details here, and also the delivery estimation here. If you want to do an estimation first on where it's going to be, or how it's going to be, or how it's going to arrive at your doorstep. But also you should be able to see some color classifications here if you want to choose a specific color that you want to use. Also, you have your sizes and the quantity you want to buy. Now, if you want to have like specific instructions, or if you want to leave a message to the supplier, you can go and type it in here. But in this case, let's go and choose the color itself. I want to choose the size here, and we want to go ahead and basically agree to the following, which in this case, the display products are from third-party platforms, and Cnfans only provides information in search, purchasing, and delivery services. So therefore, Cnfans can identify the quality and authenticity of the product. So that's why we have like a quality check that we could do whenever our products actually arrives in the warehouse. In this case, you go and click on check agree here, which is required, and just click on add to product. Now, once the product is added or has been added into your cart, you go to the right section here and just click on the cart icon that you see. Now, this will display all the products that you have on your cart. So if you want to proceed on checking them out, just click on view cart. Now, in this case, it should be able to see your cart here. Let's go and click on submit order. And in this case, you have the following disclaimer. In this case, you could go and click on the confirm here to close this one. And also you could add like specific services. Like for example, if you want to add extra photos here, like for example, specific photos that you want to see on the product itself. So currently it costs like 0.25 cents if you want to add this service. So they will add additional photos on the product itself. Now, in this case, you have the unit price here, the amount, the total you want to buy, and also you need to agree to the following. If you want to read the following statements here and user agreements, go ahead and click on the appropriate links. But once you've actually chosen this one, just click on proceed to checkout, and it should redirect you to the payment page, which in this case, you should be able to start paying for the actual product. Now, in this case, you could also change the currency here. So either choose the currency or local currency for your country, or you could basically use United States of America if you want. Now, by the way, just to give you some idea here, let's just go back one here quickly. On the previous page, you could actually change the destination country here. So for example, if you have your warehouse here, so Cnfans actually allows to have a lot of warehouses around the world. So you could choose which country you want to send the specific product to. So for example, if you're in Australia, you could choose Australia here. So yeah, so in this case, I want to go and erase this one, click on the drop down and choose your country here. But once you've chosen your country and proceeded with the checkout, you should be able to start paying for it. And once you've paid for it, it's going to already, Cnfans will start processing your order. And once your order has been processed, they will send this to the appropriate warehouse, which in this case, you'll have the option to start reviewing the products or do some quick quality check here. Now, just to give you an idea here, I'm going to go to my orders. What it's going to look like. So this is our orders. So once your product actually reaches the warehouse phase, you could basically view them in the warehouse section here on your account. Basically approve or submit, or in this case, do a rehearsal packing here if you want. But in this case, you should be able to start receiving them once you've approved it from the warehouse. And basically, yeah, so that's about it. So using Cnfans here is quite straightforward. So if you have experience using other platforms that actually import products from China, it's kind of the same thing. Process wise are quite the same or similar, but from here on you should be good. That's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan app. Thank you for watching.